fear suffers within itself. Jealousy suffers within itself. Every form of negativity is perpetuated by itself. If there was a recognition of what divinity was, and if those fears had to come about, inspired or energized by divinity, with a conscious knowledge of it, then these mechanisms of fear and greed and lust can be used as instruments to overcome various defects in us. In other words, with a defect we overcome another defect. But this comes with a high realization that all this happening within us is also the work of divinity. But when we have that realization, then fear becomes fearlessness. Anger becomes love. Hatred becomes love. So the same energy is converted within us. The same energy is converted within us in its positive aspect. Good. Now, having certain pent-up feelings does not mean that to release those feelings as a release valve, to release those feelings will get rid of the negativity within us. What we have to do is to release the pent-up energy. And the pent-up energy can be released positively. So why not choose the positive path? There is a very thin dividing line between fear and fearlessness. The basis of the question is based upon energy and how that energy is used, how it is utilized, how it is expressed. Any kind of energy can be used positively if an understanding is gained of that energy. Without gaining the understanding of the energy, we are in confusion. And whenever anyone is in confusion, you can be certain that 99% of the time that energy will be used in a negative way because of the confusion that is within us. The best way to get rid of the confusion is to understand the situation. Why do I fear? So once we know the reason why I fear, once we know the reason why I fear, then it would be getting rid of half the problem. And the other half can be got rid of by gaining strength within us.